Hundreds of people from all walks of life converged on Juba International Airport to welcome the newly appointed governor of Warrap State, General Akol Koor Kuc, who was out of the country on official mission. People carrying plaques and banners with messages of peace and stability, singing songs of joy and adorations, dressed in traditional attires, commending President Kiir for appointing Governor Akol Koor, whom they believe would restore peace, stability, unity and prosperity in the state.
The first message will first go to His Excellency the President of the Republic of South Sudan, Salva Kiir Mayardit, for the trust that is being given to our governor, Akol Koor Kuc. You know, he has been a long-serving Director General of National Security for many years. And for the trust, we are very happy as the people of Tony, people of Warrap, and we are very sure we have that trust in him that he will give a peaceful Warrap state.
Chiefs and intellectuals from Bahr al-Ghazal region urges the new governor to prioritize on reconciling the entire community of Warrap, deliver social services, restore calm and development in the state.
كلمة بتاعي أنا بقول مبروك عليك رئيس جمهورية وحكومة جنوب السودان بيعملوا supporting الجبنة بتاعنا لو بيشغل طيب علينا وكل ولاية يكون ما في مشاكل الأمني للمواطنين والتجارين والحكومة للجيش والبوليس دايرين السلام من جوبا الولاية بتاعنا واراب state.
The inhabitants of the state say the appointment of General Akol Koor comes at a time the state is facing challenges due to isolated cases of insecurity due to cattle wrestling, communal conflict, flooding, among others, believing that he would address these challenges and restore peace and normalcy.
What I need from him, actually, just let him go and change what is there. If there are things which have been messed up there in the community or in the states, let him just go and change it for us. So what we need is peace everywhere. Actually, to the President, Excellency, I really appreciate you for everything you're doing for us. What we need from you, what you need is peace.
The arrival of General Akol Koor Kuc in the country would prove to the doubting Thomases and the enemies of peace who were propagating and circulating false and realistic information on social media platform that Akol rejected the appointment and would not come back to Juba for whatsoever reason.
نحن مقصودين عشان governor الجابو الجديد Akol Koor Kuc أنيوك مقصودين. All South Sudan are very happy. We are so glad to have that governor and we are so glad for that. We thank you for the new governor. We wish South Sudan should go in front with our governor. May God bless him.
The appointed governor of Warrap State, General Akol Koor, would be sworn into the office in the coming days and commence his national duty as soon as possible. Gore Anthony, SSBC News, Juba.